Hi, my name's Steve Cathy. I'm senior sales rep here at McLean's Rockwall. I've been going on about 18 years with McLean's, and that's been a privilege, I must say, but it's also for the last 10 years, it's been a privilege also to represent the Grand Design product. We carry everything they've got, and they're pretty much dominating the entire industry because they give the customer a tremendous amount of value for their investment. What we're going to do is we're going to walk around the little Imagine AIM, and what it's geared to is like the folks that have a Jeep or mid-size SUVs with somewhat of a limited cargo carrying capacity. This only weighs about 4,000 pounds, but they give you a ton of trailer for the money. If you just take a few minutes and look, you've got a huge full-size awning. It's electric. You also have an LED light strip in here that lights up the whole camping area. One thing that they're doing for you is giving you a spare tire. A lot of times you don't get spare tires on trailers, but that comes included. They were also doing, which is I think the only one in the industry that does it, they're giving you a warranty on the tires. Nobody does that. Okay, you've got a 5-year warranty on this. First year if you pop it, they replace it free of charge, and it's prorated out after that. They're also doing a tire pressure monitor as part of the package, so you can kind of see how your tire pressurization goes. All right. Also too, most of my competitors will put an all metal step in here, and unless you give them a bath with WD-40 continuously, they have a tendency to bind up, and they're hard to put up and down, but they're also very heavy. Now, I'm of advanced age here. I'm a baby boomer, and for me, I just take 3 fingers and it folds right up and goes into the trailer. So it's very lightweight, and it's also not dragging in the underbelly, which can cause a problem. If you come over here, everybody likes to cook out. For some reason, everything tastes better outside. This is kind of like a miniature Blackstone grill. It's like a cast iron skillet. You know, you season it, and eggs, bacon, fish, whatever you want to cook on it is outstanding. And it also it's recessed into the trailer for safety reasons. Also, too, you've got an outside 110 plug. Let's just say you want to watch a TV or listen to radio or something, you can. When you come back to the back of the trailer, let's say you got a dog and they're all muddy and dirty, or you got mud or sand on your shoes or boots, you've got a high pressure hose that will take care of that for you. This will come with a 30 amp power plug. It also has solar panel on top as well, so you get a little extra battery boost with the solar panel. Full walk-on roof, which will hold, I think at the factories you'll see 4 or 5 guys up there. And then you'll see right there is the housing for a backup camera, which we can furnish for you as well. On this side, you can never have too much storage. So you'll have full pass-through up front, a large storage area right here for stuff. Here your black and gray water exit ports right here. Now they also do something that you don't see much on trailers. They're doing on-demand hot water. Usually you'll see that on high-end fifth wheels and motorhomes, but this is also standard as well. And what you see right here, that's the exhaust for the furnace. And then you have large tanks. They pretty much oversize their tanks by about 20-30% over my competitors. Pretty much all your tanks in here are going to be in the high 40s, which is a lot bigger than the majority of the folks out there. You also have a black tank flush. So if you want to clean out the debris in your black tank, take your garden hose, hook it up here, and it'll flush it out for you. You do full-size electric awnings. All your interior, exterior, roof, back, flooring, slide walls, slide roofs, slide floors are highly insulated. And I'll show you something in a minute when we get on the inside that shows what they're capable of doing, which is far beyond everybody else in the industry. All right, also I wanted to show you something this is important too. A lot of people need extra room for stuff, all right? You have a little receiver hitch here that has about a 200-pound limit. So if you want to take a cooler out here or maybe a bike or something like that, you've got a 200-pound vertical weight limit on a little 1-inch receiver hitch here. Okay, now we're going to walk around the front. Now one thing I wanted to show you too is a lot of people want to expand their capacity with lithium batteries. So if you want to upgrade your batteries with the lithium profile, we can do an inverter prep right here for you. So if you want to put a heavy duty inverter in here for boosting your battery capacity, you can. What comes standard with this also is going to be an electric tongue jack, and also two 20-pounders. And people go, well, I want the 30-pounders. Well, here's the reason why they do 20-pounders. You can go to any Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, 7-Eleven, gas station. There's a 20-pound propane bottle swap there as well. So when you run these out, all you got to do is swap them out. To try to get a 30-pounder filled, you got to go find either an RV dealer or you got to go to a propane distributor. But this is genius, and you can also carry one or two with you in the back of your pickup truck, if that's your tow vehicle. And we'll also put a large, heavy-duty, marine-grade battery on here for you if you buy from us. And also, too, everything you see in here is heated. Most of my competitors will not heat the underbelly. Well, Grand Design does. This whole coach has a heated and closed underbelly. There are also suspended tanks for reliability, but have a master disconnect switch so you're not running your battery down. And then also, too, everything you need is satellite and cable ready. And then you can take the little quick connect that I showed you with the water hose and put it here as well. But you also have motion sensor lights in a large portion of the trailer. So when you open this up, lights come on, so that way you can get ready to camp. All right, we're going to go on the inside now. All right, like I told you, they give you a ton of trailer for the money. And here's something that Grand Design does that no other dealer does that I'm aware of, or manufacturer that I'm aware of. They guarantee you what they can keep the temperature like in this trailer, because I'd say 30% of our business right now, people are going full-time, extended stay. They're working out of their RVs and also playing out of them. But what you can do in this one at 100 degrees, which it gets like that here in Texas quite a bit, we can keep it in the 60s and 70s in here. My average competitor, it's usually 15 degrees under ambient temperature. So if it's 100 degrees in my competitors, the best they can do is 85. Grand Design can keep it in the 60s and 70s here, which is amazing. Also, too, in cold conditions, they can do the same thing. 0 degrees, they can keep it in the 60s and 70s here as well, which is, class leading. They give you warranties that really nobody else does. I told you about the tire. Also, what they do for you is this is extended stay approved, which means I got a lot of people living in these things, even one like this. All right, so your warranty will not be voided like it is with other manufacturers. All right, they've won just about every award that's out there right now. And if you go online and read the customer blogs that own these, 99% of them are thrilled. And again, I've had the privilege of representing it for 10 years here, and we've got thousands of very satisfied customers. But they also do 3-year warranty on structural, 1 year soup to nuts, axles 5 years, the chassis 3 years, exterior graphic 5 years, the roof covering is 18 years. Now my competitor usually runs around 10 years. So they've got that beat quite a bit. And again, the tire warranty. But as I told you, they over-engineer these things far beyond what they have to. But that's the way Grand Design works. They also, you can use your cell phone to operate everything in here as well. They've got a little app for that as well. And I thought this is one of the most interesting little floor plans. This is new for 2023. Is that, look at this. This is a combination desk, bar, or this is where you can eat. So all you got to do is bring, 3 or 4 little stools and just use it however you wish. TV's up here. You got a heavy duty AC, which is a 15,000 BTU, which is more than the competitors do. And again, you got awesome little kitchen here, and 2-burner gas stove, microwave, a tremendous amount of real hardwood, unlike my competition where it's basically going to be sawdust and wallpaper. This is all hardwood. And then you also have 100-pound weight limit on all the counters and cabinets. We do a 12-volt refrigerator and a little freezer, which I thought was pretty sharp. I'll show you some. It's a nice sized little refrigerator. And then a cute little freezer. I thought that was pretty sharp. And then again, more storage. So they packed a lot of capacity in here for such a small trailer. The bathroom, since I'm a big guy, I need a lot of leg room. I can sit down in here comfortably, take care of business. Also, too, you've got a little sink, hot and cold water, shower, wash your hands. They included a little medicine cabinet as well. Your bunks are heavy duty. They also come with grab handles. And again, these, I think you've got about a 300-pound weight limit. Everywhere you see, you're going to have heat ducts. And if you notice, they're not in the floor, because a lot of times you get dog hair, food, dirt, whatever, flowing into those, and eventually it'll clog them up. But you've got heat vents strategically placed all around the coach. Now, in a trailer like this, usually the bed takes up a majority of the room. Well, you've got a little futon here. So you can sit here and watch TV, eat, relax, do whatever you want. But when it's time to go to bed, pick it up, fold it up and over. Fold up and over like that. Drop the bed down like this. And it's a little Murphy bed. Now, it's a residential grade queen. And again, it's big enough for folks. Now, as I told you, they include little stools that you can use up at the bar. They give you 4, and you can use them however you want. But I thought this was pretty ingenious. And I'll get the other ones down here in just a minute. But a lot of my customers that are baby boomers, they have to have a CPAP machine. So you've got little cubby holes in here for charging phones, CPAP machines. They also do little reading lights if you want to read a book at night. And then again, more storage. These are very, very deep for, you know, clothes and whatever else you want to put in there. There's also 110 plugs here, back there, also down the side for other electrical equipment. And then they do a pantry, which everybody wants to know, where am I going to put my food? Where am I going to do this? Where am I going to do that? This can also be a closet if you want. But down here, they've got just rear drawers, regular drawers. So again, they give you a lot of trailer for the money. And having been a proud McLean's employee for 18 years, I can have whatever I want in our inventory. I've got my eyes on one of these. I'm not joking. It's a great little trailer for the money. It's lightweight, very easy to tow. Everything is very intuitive. All you got to do is push a button and enjoy yourself. And again, this is your water setting for your on-demand hot water. And then you've got a lit up little panel here to really do whatever you like. And well, I hope you guys kind of enjoyed the little walk around here. As again, I'm very proud to be part of McLean's for the last 18 years, and very proud to represent the Grand Design product for the last 10 years. Again, they give you a lot of bang for the buck. They stand behind their product, as do we. So if you're ever in the Rockwall area, ask for Steve Cathy. I'll be more than happy to help. And I hope you all have a great day. And if we can help in any way, please contact Steve Cathy at 972-953-8758. Have a great day. Thank you.